Welcome to one of Miami's most breathtaking luxury estates, a spectacular $9,500,000 mansion that perfectly combines modern elegance, resort-style living, and extraordinary comfort. From the moment you arrive at this incredible property, it becomes clear that this is far more than just a house. It is a private paradise designed for those who appreciate architecture, sophistication, and the ultimate luxury lifestyle. As the gates slowly open, a long palm-lined driveway welcomes you into a world of exclusivity and beauty. The exterior architecture immediately captures your attention with its clean modern lines, expansive glass walls, elegant stone finishes, and perfectly landscaped surroundings. Every detail of this estate has been carefully designed to create a seamless blend between indoor comfort and outdoor relaxation. The front entrance feels grand yet inviting. Oversized glass pivot doors open into a breathtaking foyer featuring soaring ceilings, polished marble floors, and natural light pouring in from every direction. The openness of the design instantly creates an atmosphere of freedom and elegance. The first impression is unforgettable, setting the tone for the incredible spaces waiting throughout the home. Straight ahead, the main living room becomes the centerpiece of the estate. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame beautiful views of the resort-style backyard while allowing sunlight to flood the entire space. The living area features custom designer furniture, warm neutral tones, and luxurious finishes that create a perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. Modern lighting fixtures hang gracefully above, adding an artistic touch to the room. One of the most impressive aspects of this mansion is how effortlessly every room flows into the next. The open concept layout creates a seamless connection between the living spaces, dining area, and gourmet kitchen. Whether hosting a glamorous party or enjoying a quiet evening with family, the design of this home adapts beautifully to every lifestyle. The formal dining room is absolutely stunning. Positioned beside massive glass walls overlooking the outdoor spaces, the room offers an incredible setting for unforgettable dinners and celebrations. A custom chandelier hangs above the oversized dining table, creating a luxurious ambience that feels both elegant and intimate at the same time. Now let's move into the chef's kitchen, one of the true highlights of the property. This space is a masterpiece of design and functionality. Featuring custom cabinetry, premium marble countertops, and state-of-the-art appliances, the kitchen has been designed for both professional chefs and everyday luxury living. A massive waterfall island sits at the center, providing additional seating and serving as the perfect gathering spot for guests and family members. High-end integrated appliances blend seamlessly into the cabinetry, maintaining the sleek modern aesthetic. Double ovens, a professional-grade gas range, wine storage, and built-in refrigeration elevate the kitchen experience to an entirely new level. Every inch of this space reflects quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Adjacent to the kitchen, a stylish breakfast area offers panoramic views of the outdoor oasis. Imagine starting your mornings here with sunlight streaming through the windows while overlooking the sparkling pool and tropical landscaping. It's the kind of everyday luxury that transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. One of the most remarkable features of this Miami mansion is the way it embraces indoor-outdoor living. Massive sliding glass doors completely disappear into the walls, allowing the interior spaces to flow directly into the outdoor entertaining areas. The transition feels effortless, creating a resort-like atmosphere throughout the property. Stepping outside, the backyard instantly feels like a five-star private resort. The centerpiece is the stunning infinity-edge swimming pool, surrounded by elegant lounge areas, tropical landscaping, and modern architectural details. The water reflects the sunlight beautifully, creating an atmosphere of complete tranquility and relaxation. Next to the pool, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and dining pavilion make this estate perfect for entertaining. Featuring a built-in barbecue, premium appliances, bar seating, and covered dining areas, this outdoor space has everything needed for unforgettable gatherings. Whether hosting summer parties, sunset dinners, or weekend celebrations, the possibilities are endless. The mansion also includes multiple outdoor lounge areas designed for comfort and luxury. Plush seating surrounds modern fire features, creating cozy spaces to relax during Miami evenings. Every corner of the backyard has been thoughtfully designed to maximize both beauty and functionality. One of the standout amenities of this incredible estate is the private cinema room. As you enter the home theater, the atmosphere instantly changes into a world of entertainment and luxury. Custom acoustic walls, ambient lighting, and oversized reclining seats create the ultimate cinematic experience. Whether watching blockbuster movies, sporting events, or hosting private screenings, this theater rivals some of the finest cinemas in the world. Moving through the home, you'll notice how every hallway and every room feels like a carefully curated piece of art. Designer lighting, custom finishes, and expansive windows create a sense of sophistication at every turn. the architecture emphasizes openness while still maintaining warmth and intimacy throughout the residence. The primary suite is truly on another level. Occupying its own private section of the home, this luxurious retreat offers incredible scale, privacy, and breathtaking views. Floor-to-ceiling windows overlook the pool and tropical landscaping, while private access to outdoor terraces enhances the connection to nature and relaxation. The bedroom itself feels like a luxury hotel suite, featuring custom design elements, elegant lighting, and spacious lounge areas. Every detail has been carefully considered to create an atmosphere of peace and comfort. Waking up in this room every morning would feel like living in a permanent vacation. The primary bathroom is equally extraordinary. Wrapped in premium marble and designer finishes, the spa-inspired bathroom features a freestanding soaking tub, oversized rainfall shower, dual vanities, and luxurious lighting throughout. The walk-in closet resembles a high-end boutique, offering custom storage and display areas for an extensive wardrobe collection. Additional guest bedrooms throughout the estate continue the same level of luxury and attention to detail. Each room offers ensuite bathrooms, custom finishes, large windows, and unique design features that ensure every guest experiences maximum comfort and privacy. This mansion also includes several bonus spaces designed to enhance everyday living. A private office provides a sophisticated workspace with beautiful natural lighting, making remote work feel effortless and inspiring. There is also a fitness room equipped for personal wellness and training, allowing residents to enjoy a complete luxury lifestyle without ever leaving home. Another incredible feature of the estate is the entertainment lounge and bar area. This stylish space creates the perfect atmosphere for hosting guests or relaxing during evenings. Custom shelving, ambient lighting, premium finishes, and elegant seating create a sophisticated social environment that perfectly complements the luxurious nature of the home. As we continue exploring the property, the attention to landscaping becomes impossible to ignore. Towering palms, manicured greenery, ambient lighting, and water features create an atmosphere of complete serenity. The outdoor design not only enhances beauty, but also creates privacy and exclusivity throughout the estate. Miami is known around the world for luxury living, waterfront lifestyles, and incredible architecture, and this property perfectly captures the essence of everything that makes the city so desirable. From the modern design to the resort-style amenities, this mansion represents the pinnacle of South Florida luxury real estate. One of the most valuable aspects of this home is the lifestyle it provides. This isn't simply a property where you live. It's a private retreat where every day feels elevated. Imagine spending afternoons beside the pool, evenings watching movies in your private cinema, and weekends entertaining friends in one of the most beautiful outdoor spaces imaginable. The lighting design throughout the home deserves special attention as well. During the daytime, natural sunlight transforms every room into a bright and inviting environment. At night, carefully designed architectural lighting creates a warm and luxurious ambience that completely changes the atmosphere of the estate. The use of glass throughout the property creates a constant connection between the interior and exterior spaces. No matter where you are in the house, you're always surrounded by beautiful views, natural light, and the calming presence of the outdoor environment. Technology and convenience have also been fully integrated into the estate. Smart home systems allow seamless control over lighting, climate, security, entertainment, and more. Every modern luxury feature has been incorporated to ensure comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. The garage space is equally impressive, offering room for an extensive luxury car collection. Finished with premium materials and modern lighting, even the garage reflects the same level of sophistication found throughout the rest of the property. As the sun begins to set over Miami, the mansion transforms into something even more magical. Reflections dance across the water of the pool, while ambient lights illuminate the architecture and landscaping. The outdoor lounge areas become the perfect place to unwind, creating an atmosphere that feels both peaceful and glamorous at the same time. Imagine hosting guests here during a warm Miami evening. Music softly playing in the background, lights reflecting off the pool, conversations flowing through the outdoor lounges, and the city atmosphere surrounding you. This estate was truly designed for unforgettable experiences. Even the smallest design details throughout the home reflect exceptional craftsmanship. From the textures of the materials to the precision of the finishes, everything has been carefully selected to create a timeless and elegant aesthetic. The result is a property that feels luxurious today and will continue to feel extraordinary for years to come. Luxury homes often focus on appearance alone, but what makes this mansion truly special is the feeling it creates. Every room has warmth, every space invites relaxation, and every feature enhances the overall lifestyle experience. It combines the grandeur of a modern estate with the comfort of a true family home. The location itself adds even more value to this incredible property. Situated in one of Miami's most prestigious areas, the estate offers convenient access to world-class dining, luxury shopping, entertainment, beaches, and nightlife, while still maintaining privacy and tranquility. This balance between exclusivity and accessibility is one of the reasons Miami luxury real estate continues to attract buyers from around the world. Properties like this offer not only architectural beauty, but also a lifestyle that few places on earth can match. As we take one final look around this spectacular estate, it becomes clear why homes like this represent the highest level of luxury living. From the breathtaking architecture to the incredible amenities, every part of this mansion has been designed to inspire, impress, and elevate everyday life. This $9,500,000 Miami mansion delivers everything you could ever dream of in a luxury home: stunning modern design, resort-style outdoor living, private entertainment spaces, incredible comfort, and an atmosphere that feels like a permanent vacation paradise. Whether relaxing beside the infinity pool, enjoying movie nights in the cinema, entertaining guests under the stars, or simply waking up to the beauty of Miami every day, this home offers a lifestyle that is truly unmatched. This is more than luxury real estate. This is Miami luxury living at its absolute finest.